Two premium cards. One, Showdown. Which one really delivers? On the left, the legendary perk-packed Amex Platinum. And on the right, the all-new, value-driven Citi Strata Elite. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you.
So, before we jump in, check out our mind map for today.
Here's what we are comparing. Annual fee, welcome bonus, travel perks and credits, lounge access, hotel benefits and status, transport and rideshare, insurance and protections, earning rates, and ease of use and redemption. Got all that? Okay, let's hit it from the top.
First things first.
Annual fees. Yeah, the part nobody likes, right? So Amex Platinum, woof, $895 a year. That is wild. Like, it's basically the priciest mainstream card out there. But you do get prestige and some serious market-leading perks. On the other hand, Citi Strata Elite tones the pain down a bit at $595 for the premium tier. Oh, and if you're a Citi Gold client, you can snag some rebates, dropping that down to $145 per year. So, still not exactly cheap, but at least it feels a tad more reasonable. The winner here? Gotta give it to Citi Strata Elite, just for cutting us some slack.
Next up, the welcome bonus.
This is everyone's favorite part, right? So, with Amex Platinum, you can potentially pocket up to 175,000 points if you spend $8,000 in 6 months. That is, as long as you've got one of those juicy targeted offers. Kind of amazing. Though, sometimes the offer could be lower based on, well, eligibility weirdness. Citi Strata rolls in with 100,000 points for a $6,000 spend in 3 months. Not bad at all, but it's lower compared to the max you'll get on the Amex. So, yeah, Amex Platinum takes it, especially if you qualify for that big bonus. All right, let's talk travel perks and credits. This category is sort of the playground for these cards, right? Amex Platinum is like the king here. Hotel statement credits up to $600 a year. $200 airline credit, Uber Cash and Uber One perks, plus Clear Plus up to $209 a year. Pretty stacked. Only hitch is, you gotta enroll and stick with specific partners to make it rain credits. Citi Strata Elite, $300 hotel statement credit via Citi Travel, $200 Black Lane chauffeur credits, 4 Admirals Club passes per year, and a $5 per month Lyft credit, but only after 3 rides. Not terrible, but a little less generous overall, with more limited partners and credits that feel, well, a bit trickier to use. Winner? Gonna give it to Amex Platinum for sheer volume and variety. Oh, and here's something cool most people don't know. The Amex Platinum came out back in 1984 as the OG premium card, while Citi Strata Elite only launched last year in 2024, riding the wave of new ultra-premium options. Did you see that coming? Okay, let's move into the lounge access, which honestly might be why half of you are even watching this. Amex Platinum, Centurion Lounges, Priority Pass with guests, Delta Sky Club, 10 visits unless you're dropping $75K a year, Plaza Premium, Escape Lounges, Lufthansa, and Virgin Clubhouses. Let's just say you will not be bored. Some guest restrictions and that Delta visit cap hurts a bit unless you're, well, rolling in spend. Citi Strata Elite serves up Priority Pass Select, 2 guests, and 4 passes for American Airlines Admirals Club. Not bad, but no Centurion or Delta Sky Club access. So, in the world of airport chilling, Amex Platinum is absolutely the vibe. Now, let's dive into hotel benefits and status. Amex Platinum, again, flexes hard. Hilton Honors Gold, Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite, Leaders Club Sterling status, and those sweet perks from fine hotels and resorts and Hotel Collection. The catch? You've got to enroll. And only certain chains play ball. Plus, booking through Amex portals is almost always necessary. Citi Strata Elite flips things on their head. Some on-site hotel perks when you book via Citi Travel, and a more simplified single status option. Honestly, compared to Amex, it just feels a bit basic. So yeah, Amex Platinum is still the Hotel Squad winner, hands down. Shifting gears to transportation and rideshare perks. Amex Platinum gives you preferred status at rental car spots like Avis, Hertz, National, if you remember to enroll, and some pretty hefty annual Uber credits. But those Uber credits, gotta use them in the US. And they expire every month, which is a tiny pain. Citi Strata Elite counters with $200 Black Lane credits every year, $5 Lyft credit each month after 3 rides, and standard rental discounts through MasterCard. But no Uber credits, and the Lyft deal is a little high maintenance. I mean, let's be real. The Uber stuff is clutch, so Amex Platinum, you win this round.
Insurance and protections is where it starts to even out a bit.
Amex Platinum covers you for trip cancellation, interruption, lost luggage, rental car damage, but secondary coverage, and extends warranties. Some Visa Infinite cards beat it, but it ain't bad. Citi Strata Elite actually matches the vibe. Similar travel, baggage, and purchase insurance, just packaged in the World Elite MasterCard deal. So in terms of protection, both are solid. We're calling this one a tie. Earning rates. Always more complicated than the marketers make it sound, right? Amex Platinum hands you 5x points, but only on flights and prepaid hotels booked through AmexTravel.com. Regular purchases? Nothing crazy. Citi Strata Elite throws out competitive rates across travel and other categories, and honestly makes redemptions easier, but doesn't really shine in any outlier categories. Simpler, broader, just easier. For most folks, that's a win. Citi Strata Elite takes it home. And finally, ease of use and redemption. Amex Platinum offers a massive lineup of transfer partners, both airlines and hotels, which is super flexible if you're into squeezing every cent of value out of your points. But let's be honest, earning optimal value demands a bit of homework. Citi Strata Elite, meanwhile, keeps it simple. Point structure is easy. Travel credits post instantly. Redemptions feel smooth. The trade-off? Fewer transfer partners. Still, for the average busy traveler, that simplicity matters. Citi Strata Elite wins here. Let's pause and look at the big picture. If you stack up these cards across every category, Amex Platinum consistently wins on pure perks and luxury, but Citi Strata Elite nips at its heels with legit value and lower effort, especially on fees, earning, and ease of use. The radar chart really lays out where each card shines and where it's just okay. So here's my verdict. If you're after maximum airport lounge bliss, elite hotel status, and a buffet of credits spread across travel, Amex Platinum still wears the luxury crown. That said, Citi Strata Elite is perfect for folks who want strong travel value and premium experiences, but aren't ready or willing to do the whole Amex high-touch commitment. Less fuss, lower fee, and most of the good stuff. Honestly, you can't really go wrong. But if you want sheer luxury, Amex Platinum is where it's at. Want tailored premium card advice or travel hacks? Just drop your questions below or ask for a deep dive next time. And if you need help matching card strategy to your travel style, I've got you